He says, no, I don't want to get up. His underarms, be careful.
Floppy! Come on, Floppy!
Go ahead, drag him some more.
Come on, Floppy! Come on, Floppy! Come on, Floppy! Stretch-nado, stand up!
He's like, I'm not standing up.
My shadow's in the way, but it's still too cute.
Let's go!
You don't, yeah. There we go. Where is he? Where is he?
Yes, yes, yes. Oh, okay. No, no, no. Okay.
No bite.
No biting. No biting. No biting. No biting. No biting. Hey, hey. Raise your mouth.
His head's in the way. I can't get a picture of his little face. There's his little face.
He's so cute.
Yeah.
So
I'll have to see
Floppy.
this.
Hey, Floppy.
What a cute baby. My shadow, unfortunately, has been in this whole thing. So I don't know how it's going to come out.
He's so cute.
He is adorable.
Mister! Mister!
Does he hear?
Yeah. He ignores real well.
Mister.
Yeah, he obeys really
Say
good.
What they called him?
He obeys really good. Oh, he flopped down again.
He does that.
Hey!
Okay, drag him again.
Watch out for his armpits.
Oh, well,
Oh
he's
my
on his
God.
cute little harness, so. He's so cute. He's so cute. Such a cute little puppy. Now I see only the back of his
Oh, yeah, I
head.
used to chew on the bed. Yeah, I thought you gave birth to a beaver.
I did.
Come on, little face. Get your little face up here. Where I can see your little face.
Off the bed, Mom.
That was funny.
You go all along the edge of the headboard. Baby crib.
Hey,
And
you.
those balls.
There you go. There you
What's wrong
go.
with your kid?
We got to see his face. Okay.
That was funny.
I hate that my shadow, the sun, the way the
I
sun
thought you
is.
didn't have teeth.
I know, right?
Okay, go ahead and drag him again.
Come here.
Oh, no more dragging.
Oh, it doesn't hurt him. It looks too funny. Hey, you're only going to see that he's going to grow out of this. You know, and it'll be over, and then you'll go, remember how cute he was when he used to just make...
When I was in training with Hot Dog, that's what he would do. He'd crawl on his belly the whole time. Like, don't do this.
See?
You need to get up. And he wouldn't get up.
Go.
He's tired. Come on.
He's just a really mellow pup. That's all he is. He's just so mellow.
Oh, he's got something in his mouth.
He's so cute. I don't know. Like I said, there's so much contrast. Whoops.
There you
They're
go,
up.
pop in.